to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. 30% or 50% reservation for in-service doctors, High Court asks MP State. Issuing notice in a plea concerning the benefits given to the in-service doctors, the principal bench of Madhya Pradesh High Court has recently sought the response of the Directorate of Medical Education and Principal Secretary of Health Services. The petitioners who are employed in the government hospitals of the state have questioned the 30% reservation for the in-service doctors instead of the state policy of providing 50% reservation for them, reports FPG. Those doctors who provide their service in the rural and hilly areas are considered to be the in-service doctors. However, asserting that they have served in the rural areas for more than 3 years, the petitioner doctors have pointed out that benefits are provided to doctors who work in the urban areas as well. Services by doctors in lieu of fees fall under Consumer Protection Act 2019. The Bombay High Court bench has recently held the services performed by the healthcare service providers in lieu of fees are included within the purview of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Holding the bill seeking the exclusion of healthcare services from the Act as thoroughly misconceived, the bench comprising of Chief Justice Dipankar Datta and G.S. Kulkarni observed, "We therefore hold that mere repeal of 1986 Act by the 2019 Act without anything more would not result in exclusion of healthcare services rendered by doctors to patients from the definition of the term service." Thus, dismissing the bill, the bench imposed a cost of ₹50,000 upon the petitioner trust and directed it to pay the amount to the Maharashtra State Legal Services Authority within a month. National Medical Commission inspects Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, 100 MBBS seats expected to be added. Aiming at increasing the intake capacity of MBBS students by another 100 seats, the Mysore Medical College and Research Institute has already sent a proposal to the National Medical Commission. In fact, a delegation from NMC, the Apex Medical Education Regulatory Body, has already inspected the institute and reviewed its infrastructure. With permission from NMC, the MBBS seats at MMCRI are expected to go up by 100 in June next year. Currently, MMCRI, one of the oldest medical institutions in the country, has permission to admit MBBS students in its 150 seats. CDSCO raises cybersecurity alert on Medtronic remote controllers used in insulin pumps. Citing potential cybersecurity risk, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization has issued a medical device alert for Medtronic's MMT500 remote controller, an MMT503 remote controller used as an optional accessory with ambulatory insulin infusion pumps. The medical device alert comes in line with Medtronic's field safety notice, which states that remote controllers used with Paradigm and 500 Minimed insulin pumps are being recalled due to potential cybersecurity risk. However, CDSCO has maintained that it has not received any complaints from the market regarding this issue. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.